The years went on and Ernest grew to be a young man. Years went on means years passed, and Ernest grew to be a young man. He attracted little notice from the inhabitants of the valley. Inhabitants are the people living there. In the valley, the people who lived. They saw nothing remarkable in his way of life except that when the labor of the day was over, he still loved to gaze upon the great stone face. And nothing was remarkable, nothing was different in his way except that labor of the day, when the work was over, he still loved to gaze, he used to look upon the great stone face. Their idea was that this was a folly but pardonable because Ernest was industrious, kind, and neighborly. And their idea was that this was a folly, that was not a mistake but pardonable. That was a folly but it was pardonable. माफ़ी करने लायक थी क्योंकि अर्नेस्ट was kind, neighborly, and hard working. They did not know that the great stone face had become a teacher to him, and that the sentiment which was expressed in it would enlarge the young man's heart and fill it with deeper sympathies than other hearts. And उनको नहीं पता था कि that the great stone face had become a teacher to him, and the sentiments, the sympathies which was expressed in it, जो sentiments उसके अंदर express थे, it would enlarge means बढ़ा देंगी young man के heart को. And deeper sympathies means feelings of sorrow and approval, understanding than other hearts. They did not know that from this would come a better wisdom than could be learned from books. उनको नहीं पता था कि इससे मतलब बहुत विजडम होगी और बुक्स से नहीं मिलती जो इतना जो the person will be wise from this. Neither did Ernest know that the thoughts which came to him so naturally in the fields and at the fireside were of a higher tone than those which all men shared with him. And Ernest also didn't know that the thoughts which are coming to him would be far better than any other things. A simple soul, simple as when his mother first told him the old story. He beheld the marvelous face looking down the valley and still wondered why its human likeness was so long in coming. So he simple soul. Simple soul means वो बिल्कुल सीधी सादी उसकी, he was of a simple nature, and he beheld the marvelous face. Beheld means saw the marvelous face looking down the valley की तरफ देखता था जो face, that stone face, and he still wondered कि इसकी human likeness was so long in coming means ऐसा ही आदमी जो का एक prophecy थी कि a person he will come which will resemble the stone face, and why it is taking long to come before him. By this time poor Mr. Gathergold was dead and buried. His wealth, which was the body and spirit of his existence, had disappeared before his death. और इस टाइम तक मिस्टर गैदरगोल्ड भी मर गए थे, and he had been buried, and his wealth had disappeared before his death. Since the melting away of his gold, it had been generally agreed that there was no great likeness after all between the ruined merchant and the majestic face upon the mountain. And जैसे ही उसको वो किया गया तो इट वॉज एग्रीड दैट उनकी जो लाइकनेस नहीं थी, इट द रियून मर्चेंट एंड द मेजेस्टिक फेस, देयर वॉज नो लाइकनेस अमंग देम. It so happened that another son of the valley had become a soldier many years before. और ऐसा हुआ कि एक और वैली का बेटा, मतलब he had born in the valley and he had become a soldier many years before, and after a great deal of hard fighting he was now a famous commander. And after a great deal of hard fighting means संघर्ष के बाद he had become a famous commander. He was known on the battlefield by the name of Blood and Thunder. What was he known as? Blood and Thunder. old and tired now, he had lately expressed a desire to return to his native valley. And now the soldier had become old and he was tired, and he decided to return to the valley. As people after retirement also, some of the people prefer to go to their native places, and they will spend their life there only. So he also, the name he was known by the name Blood and Thunder. He also became tired and he decided to return to his native valley. The inhabitants, his old neighbors and their grown-up children, prepared to welcome the renowned commander. And who prepared to welcome him? The inhabitants, the people who lived there, his old neighbors, Padosi, and their grown up children, and they prepared to welcome the renowned commander, means famous commander. It was being said that at last the likeness of the great stone face had actually appeared. Great, therefore, was the excitement throughout the valley, and many people who had never once thought of glancing at the great stone face now spent much time in gazing at it for the sake of knowing exactly how General Blood and Thunder looked. And when it was being said, ये कहा गया कि the likeness with the great stone face, that person is coming. Great throughout, there was excitement throughout the valley. There was excitement, and people gazed at the great stone face so that they can know about the likeness with the General Blood and Thunder looked. On the day of the general's arrival, Ernest and all the other people of the valley left their work and proceeded to the spot where a great banquet had been prepared. And where on the day when the general was to arrive, Ernest and all the people of the valley, they left their work. They stopped their work and they proceeded. They went towards the spot where the banquet had been prepared. A feast had been prepared to welcome the great general. Soldiers stood on guard, flags waved, and the crowd roared. What soldiers stood on guard means, soldiers were there to guard, and flags waved, झंडे फहराए गए, and the crowd roared. आवाज़ें करने लगा. Ernest was standing too far back to see Blood and Thunder's face. However, he could hear several voices, and he was standing too far back. पीछे खड़ा हुआ था to see Blood and Thunder's face. It's the same face exactly, cried one man, dancing with joy. एंड एक आदमी बोलने लगा कि इट्स द सेम फेस एग्जैक्टली, बिल्कुल सेम, एंड ही डांस्ड विद जॉय. वंडरफुली लाइक इट, दैट्स अ फैक्ट, रिप्लाइड अनदर. हाँ, वैसा ही है जैसे ये एक सत्य है, फैक्ट है. एंड वाई नॉट, क्राइड अ थर्ड, ही इज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट मैन ऑफ दिस और एनी अदर एज बियॉन्ड अ डाउट. कहते यही सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट मैन है इस एज का, इस और बियॉन्ड अ डाउट, कोई शक की बात नहीं है. अर्नेस्ट एट लास्ट कुड सी द जनरल्स फेस, एंड इन द सेम ग्लैंस टू द साइड he could also see the great stone face. And Ernest could see the general face, and the same he could see the stone face also. If there was such a likeness as the crowd proclaimed, Ernest could not recognize it. Fear not, Ernest, said his heart, as if the great stone face was whispering to him. Fear not, Ernest, he will come. And what happened? And if there was such a likeness, कि इतनी अगर उनकी आपस में मिलती है वो, तो क्राउड सेड, लाउडली अनाउंस्ड, अर्नेस्ट कुड नॉट रिकग्नाइज इट. अर्नेस्ट नहीं पहचान सके कि ही इज एज अ रिजेम्बलेंस टू द स्टोन फेस. फियर नॉट, अर्नेस्ट, सेड हिज हार्ट, उसका दिल कहने लगा कि डरो मत. अर्नेस्ट अगस्टेन, एज इफ, जैसे कि ग्रेट स्टोन फेस विस्पर कर रहा था, बोल रहा था टू अर्नेस्ट दैट फियर नॉट, अर्नेस्ट, ही विल कम, कि डरो मत अर्नेस्ट, दैट रिजेम्बलेंस विद दिस स्टोन फेस, द पर्सन विल कम, यू डोंट वरी.